What is a subset of sample space called? The answer is B. Number 2. How is union of sets A and B denoted? The answer is B. Number 3. The union and intersection can be illustrated by means of. The answer is C. Number 4. What is described if there are elements common to both events A and B? The answer is D. Number 5. What is the probability that an event can never be happen? The answer is A. Number 6. Which type of event is affected by prior occurrence of the other event? The answer is A. Number 7. Which condition affects the drawing of cards twice from an ordinary deck? The answer is C. Number 8. Which is not true about compound event? The answer is D. Number 9. What is described when an event contains exactly one sample point or outcome? The answer is A. Number 10. What term describes the manner of drawing cards, tossing or rolling of a coin, and a die repeatedly? The answer is C. How many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed out of 7 consonants and 4 vowels? The answer is A. Number 2. In a group of 6 boys and 4 girls, 4 children are to be selected. In how many ways can they be selected such that at least one boy should be there? The answer is B. Number 3. From a group of 7 men and 6 women, 5 persons are to be selected to form a committee so that at least 3 men are there in the committee. In how many ways can it be done? The answer is C. For number 1 to 4, illustrate the union of events A and B using a Venn diagram. Okay, for number 1, sample space. The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. For set A, with the elements of 2, 4, and 6. For set B, the elements are 6, 7, 8, and 9. For number 2, sample space. Elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Then the set A, 1, 3, 5. For set B, 7, 9, 11. Number 3, sample space. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Set A, B, C, D. Set B, D, E, F, G. Number 4, sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Set A, 1, 2, 3, 4. For set B, 3, 4, 5, and 6. For number 5 to 7, find the intersection of events A and B and its cardinality. For number 5, set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For set B, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Number 6, set A, 1, 3, 6, 7. Set B, 3, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Number 7, set A, B, C, D. Set B, D, E, F, G, and H. Number 1 to 5. Shade the required operation in each Venn diagram. Number 1, that is A union B union C. For number 2, A intersection B intersection C. For number 3, that is the union of B and intersection of A and C. Number 4, that is the union of the intersection A and B and intersection of A and C. Number 5, that is the intersection of the union A and B and union of A and C. Determine whether the event is simple or compound. Number 1. The numbers 1 to 10 are written on a separate pieces of paper, folded and put it in a box. One number is drawn from the box. What is the probability that this number chosen randomly is 3? The answer is simple. Number 2. Two coins were tossed simultaneously. What is the probability that the outcomes are at least a tail? The answer is compound. Number 3. A card is drawn from a standard deck of cards. What is the probability that it is a king? The answer is simple. Number 4. A card is drawn from a standard deck of cards. What is the probability that is a queen of hearts? The answer is simple. Number 5. In rolling 2 dice, what is the probability of getting a sum of at least 4? The answer is compound. Directions: answer the following completely. Number 1. A die is rolled. Let A be the event of getting a whole number less than 5, and let B the event of getting a number greater than or equal to 2, but less than 10. Number 1. Illustrate A intersection B and A union B. B. Find the cardinality of A intersection B and the cardinality of A union B. Number 2. Given the sample space and the events A, B, and C, where A is 1, 2, 3, 4, B 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the events. B. Find A intersection B and intersection C, and A union B union C. C. Find the cardinality of the following. Assessment. Choose the letter of the correct answer and write it on the space provided before each item. Number 1. Which is an example of simple event? The answer is B. Number 2. How is the sample space in a Venn diagram illustrated? The answer is C. Number 3. The cardinality of getting a perfect square number in the sample space. The answer is D. Number 4. Which shade illustrates the union of three events A, B, and C in a sample space? The answer is A. Number 5. Which Venn diagram below illustrate the unions of A, B, and C, where A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B 2, 4, and 6, C 2, 3, 4, and 10, and the sample space 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10? The answer is A. Number 6. What is the probability of getting 2 or 6 in rolling a die? The answer is D. Number 7. Which of the following Venn diagram illustrates the intersection of events A and C, given the events below? For A, A, B, C, D, B, B, D, C, A, B, D, sample space A, B, C, D, E, F. The answer is C. Number 8. What is the intersection of events A and B if A are whole numbers up to 10 and B are numbers divisible by 3? The answer is D. Number 9. For set A, we have x such that x are integers greater than 10 but less than 18. And set B, y such that y are even integers greater than 11 but less than 20. Find A union B. The answer is B. Number 10. What is the value that we can mostly relate to the importance of intersection of an event in a real life situation? The answer is A.